Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night and a great week, folks. Don't make assumptions. Ask for what you want. Find the courage to ask for what you want. Others have the right to tell you yes or no, but you always have the right to ask. Likewise, everyone has the right to ask you for what they want, and you have the right to say yes or no. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We have the Dow Industrials up 24, NASDAQ down 34, S&P's off 6, gold contract down $6.70, trading at $15.08 an ounce. Silver down 2 cents, $18.09 an ounce. Light sweet crude up $1.45. Caught a bid, $57.97 a barrel. Notes and bonds. You get the 10-year down 18 ticks, 130.25. 30-year down a full point plus 21 ticks, 162.27. King dollar down 130 ticks, trading 97.795. The euro is at 110 to 1 US dollar. The yen is at 107.18. And the pound is out here at 123 to 1 US dollar. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? Okay, so bottom line is that if we go back to the highs that were generated out here in July 26th, you're at 302.23 on the S&Ps. You come off those highs with monster volume. On the 31st of July, you did 104 million. On the 1st of August, you did 142. Now, last Thursday, nice day last Thursday. Still, though, you only came into the 142 with 83 million. Friday, we went sideways with light volume, 49 million. Now, what you're going to have out here today, folks, is you got over the highs of Thursday. You're going to close underneath them. 298.83 is the number. We hit 299.24, and you're going to have lighter volume. That sets up failure on price, failure on volume, and we'll see, bottom line, how this shakes out the next few days. When you get something like this, particularly coming into a downdraft, that's saying that, guess what? You're going to try to get into the 293 area, your 297. My take is that we're actually going to trying to get down into this 281 area. That's on your S&P. We take a look at the NDX 100. NDX 100 has been weaker than the S&Ps, the NDX 100. And this is where it's going to get kind of cool, actually, because on last Thursday, you had the NDX go up 34 million shares. You hit a high out there of 192.32. Bottom line, Friday, you went sideways, 192.17. And then today, what you did, you got over that high. And bottom line, there's going to be light volume. It couldn't even get to the high of Thursday. That's how you can tell where the sectors are strength versus the weakness. NDX 100 is the weakest one out here, and I suspect NDX 100 also wants to make a run down to the 179 area. Small caps. We take a look at the small caps. You'll see that the small caps never got up to the top of the range. The top of the range in the small caps was 152.63. We made it last Thursday to 151.91. You made it today to 152.24. And bottom line, looks like we're going to close under the Thursday high, which would be an additional failure on price as well as volume. Gold contract. What do we have with gold? Gold contract down $6.30. You're trading $15.09, and this is the first real correction that we've had basically since May. What I expect we're going to see with gold is going to make its way down. You two different areas here. You got a breakout area of 1503 as well as 1484. 1484 is game. That's what it looks like to me. And that area, by the way, that is only, I think it's not even a 0.382. It's a 0.28, I believe. It's a 0.23. It's about a 25% correction from the lows to the highs. You got to remember, gold started taking off on May 29th, that was at 12.89, gets all the way up to a price point of 15.65. And that being said, that still doesn't negate your larger ABC structure up inside the gold market. Silver set up the exact same way. What we had with silver last week, silver last week had quite a run. Right now, you're trading at $18 and a penny. What silver had done 3 months ago was at $14.35. Last week, you got up to $19.54. You come off that level. You did come off that level with volume, okay, which is always a problem. Let me pull this back, SIZ 9. So we have inside that silver market right now 130,000 contracts, and we needed this because we had big volume coming off that high. You made the high out here with 157,000 contracts. We came off it with 194. 222, and now what you have out here with 130. That's a nice situation because when you come off any place with volume, you got to, in order to get to higher price, you got to get under that bar first, reject the bar, then the baby can start again. That being said, silver, I think silver actually can get into 1762 on this pullback. Notes and bonds. The bottom line, notes and bonds. Now, these are still consistent. You know, I think the gold market, folks, is going to be a little tricky this week. That's how this is shaking out. It's because the aspect of the amount of gains that have been in the gold market are extraordinary, okay, since the last 3 months. The note and bond market, however, those gains have been extraordinary also. But guess what? There are no sellers in this market, in the note and bond market. We take a look at this 10-year out here today. What you're going to see is the 10-year is down 18 ticks. You have a 1.1 million contracts. You're going into 3.2 million contracts. That is anemic volume. The 30-year, we take a look at the 30-year out here. What you have with the 30-year, 30 years down to 210,000 contracts. And what happens, folks, on this roll right here, you have to go back to the last contract to actually get the exact number. Now, this is kind of cool because you can do it pretty quickly. Yeah, so we're going into 570,000 contracts, and we were talking 225. King Dollar. What do we got with King Dollar? We'll see what King Dollar is going to get any follow through to the downside out here. What you had out here today, you get a sideways move. You're down 120 ticks, 17,928 contracts. You're going to need a lot more contract volume for lower price inside King Dollar. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Dow Industrials. Dow right now trading up 42. Nasdaq's down 26. S&P's are down 3. We'll come right back.